Here I have the Mungyo Professional Watercolor Set in 48 colors. I bought this for a class and they recommended the 12 color set, and I thought, why not have 48 colors? So here I am with 48 colors. It comes in this tin with a lot of mixing areas. What was a really nice surprise is that there are some metallic colors in here. I wasn't expecting that. So there's like an iridescent white, silver, gold, and a rose gold, the ones that you'd probably use the most. And I've been really pleasantly surprised with this watercolor set. I created a color chart here that I usually keep right here so I can reference all the colors. It's pretty vibrant. The colors you can see here, they're very vibrant. And I've really enjoyed having so many colors so you don't have to spend your time mixing so much. It's really convenient to have all the different colors. But what I did notice is some of the colors are actually slightly opaque compared to some of the more professional color lines that I have. But these are really great for illustrations. I've been mainly using them for illustration work. I took a class and they were teaching me how to do little trees. This is not even on watercolor paper. This is like a thicker printer paper. You can see some of the colors you can get. It's really, really nice. In this class I was taking. I really like this set because it activates really quickly. The colors are very vibrant. You can dilute it down to a softer color. And it has a really great range of colors that you can choose from. And the iridescent and metallic colors are a really nice bonus.